Question number 23, Ratnasagar, exercise HD says, in triangle PQR, there is no diagram and you have to visualize the diagram. Triangle PQR. Internal bisectors of Q and R, bisector of Q and bisector of R. Internal, that is inside the triangle. Meet at I. So the meeting point is I. External bisectors of Q and R. If I elongate, if I extend PR and PQ, they will have external bisectors. And these two are supposed to meet at E according to the problem. If angle P is 60, now this is 60 degrees, and angle Q is 70 and this is 70 degrees, prove that IQR, we are supposed to prove that these two angles club to form 90 degrees and QIR and QER will come up to 180. Let us see. Before attempting, we have to give some name here also. According to the problem, this is 60 degrees and this is 70, which is 130. And so at applying angle sum property, we have 50 here. This is 50. Now, if I go for the external angle here, this is nothing but the sum of opposite interior angles, which is 110 degrees. Similarly, I have an extension of this line and I will be having 130 here, and I have a bisector here wherein I will get RQE value. This is a bisector, then this component is 55 degrees, and herein also it is divided by, and I am 65 here, and these are bisectors, so this is 35, and these are bisectors, therefore this is 25. Now let us answer quickly whatever he has asked. As you can see from the problem itself, I have my IQR as 35 and my EQR, where is the EQR, is 55, and it has come to 90. I have proved that it is 90. Now where is that QIR? Now I have to arrive at QIR. It is nothing but double of this, mind you. Therefore, this is the formula for angle QIR is 90 plus half P. Rather than going about all this, I can even arrive at by applying my angle sum property. These two sum up to 60 degrees. Therefore, this is my 120. So QIR is 120 and QER now 655 plus 65 comes to 120. Therefore, this is 60 degree, and my 60 will add up here to give 180. Hence proved. Children, always write the entire structural application of the answer in a very systematic manner. I have only given you the explanation. Everything needs to be substantiated, as I have given the reason for each and every step of this problem. You have to write it down in a very proper way. This is only an explanation of the problem. And remember the order of sequence. Angle sum property of PQR gives you angle R. Afterwards, you have to arrive at the internal bisectors, because you have 70 on hand and 50 on hand, and you have to arrive at the internal bisectors. Next, you have the external angle. You have to arrive at the external angle, and because this is equal to sum of these two and this is equal to sum of these two, and that is how the next step comes. And step 4 is external bisectors angles will be arrived at. Half of 110 is 55 and half of 130 is 65. From these two angles, I arrive at the third angle by angle sum property of triangle QER, and by angle sum property of triangle QIR, I arrive at angle I and angle E, so that I can systematically apply and arrive at the necessary proof.